Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Holly Wolf here, and you're watching Wolf of the Wild. Today we're going to be doing a video focusing on this cute little cupboard, hallway cupboard, bathroom extension, towel shelves? I don't know, but anyways, we're working on these guys. I will have a much longer video coming eventually for this whole hallway process. It's been absolutely crazy. We've had to fix stairs, we've had to reroute a few things, we've completely redone the floors, and so much more. But we also took this little guy back, which was actually further out by like a solid foot. And we kind of brought him in so it looks a little bit longer and bigger down this hallway. We've taken the existing shelves and actually just narrowed them a little bit to create a more shallow depth. And we've taken out any trim to make it look a little bit more modern. And today I'm just finishing up, well, maybe not today. We're working on the shelves. I have to sand them down, fill in any cracks, give them a first coat of paint. My brother was so kind to help with this whole hallway transformation. He did a lot of the painting. You'll see that in some of the fun footage. I'm about to slide in after I'm done talking. But yeah, I wanted to kind of just show off this little area in general. I really wanted this hallway to feel bigger and more open. You'll see here kind of behind me a little bit, the stairs are a bit of a interesting setup in this hallway. It creates a little bit of a narrow situation. And so bringing this area back and closer and more flush to the wall gives us the ability to kind of open this up a little bit. And eventually the beautiful staircase, the railing is going to extend all the way up the ceiling here, but be like beautiful slatted pieces of wood. So it gives a little bit more safety. Right now I could just fall right down, but it's also going to kind of also give the illusion that this is a little bit more separated without having a full-blown wall here, which it was a lot walking up this hallway, and it's already very narrow. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish up these shelves. I'll show you like all the before. I'm kind of filming this intro halfway through because we've done so much work in this hallway, a lot more than I thought it would be. We've also had to, of course, kind of fix the baseboards and extend them in. It's just been a whole show, but honestly, it's gonna look so, so amazing. I should have a few pictures of this from when it started, but Brandon was actually away for the demolition of this little guy and bringing him back. So I think I took some quick video and some photos, so I'll slide those in. But it looks massively different, and it's just gonna be absolutely gorgeous. Not to mention, this had a door on it. It was further out and had a door. So having to open this, like with, it was a mess. It was so far back. You were almost in the bathroom already, but this is just gonna be a cute little open storage unit. I would love to have some shelves here for artwork and paintings or whatever the case may be, but yeah. Let's get right to it. We're gonna hopefully finish this by the end of today's video, and it will be one of many kind of more, what's the word? Just little areas of the house that we're redoing in the grand scheme of things, because everything takes a really long time. And I obviously, love this house, and I'm putting a lot of work into it. So I just wanna show off little areas while we're making those giant transformation videos, because they take weeks, if not months, if not a freaking year. But yeah, anyways, let's get right to it. We're going to do some sanding and some painting. All right, guys, we are done. Look at this cute little shelf. It looks so much better than before. I'm so excited. As you can see, I kind of placed a few little things on it. I'm going to deck it out and make it really cutesy. Very cutesy, you know, very demure. And I also, check it out, got this painting, this very like poppy Marilyn Monroe vibe that I think is perfect for this. So I'm going to be hanging him up eventually, but for now, I just kind of wanted to show you the finished shelving and space here. I'm really excited about just having it a lot further back and more space here. I don't know if you remember, but this guy was literally like out here and completely closed off. So this just opens up the space, makes it much more filled with light and vibrant, and I'm just really happy with how it turned out. So really cute shelf, amazing right off the bathroom, and yeah, yay, I'm so excited. Let me know what you think, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.